Yo, what up, gang? It's your boy. And just to keep the introduction brief, I'm going to teach you how to make Afrobeats. And if you want to know what Afrobeats are, just listen to Wizkid, Burna Boy. Pretty much most of the Nigerian artists, they got it popping over there, man. They got it popping over there. If you want to listen to Afrobeats, go listen to them. But over here on this channel, we are making Afrobeats, boy. And I'm so hyped right now. The music originated in the 1960s in Nigeria. And common traits of this music is drums, percussion, polyrhythms. And let's not forget the sweet, sweet melodies. Of course, nowadays it's blended in with a lot of new stuff. I've noticed some use the lock drum from Amapiano these days. So that's interesting. But anyway, we need to get back right into this video. And yep. So as you can see here, I was just going through percussion sounds, seeing which ones are the best so that I can put together a decent drum pattern. Because when producing for Afrobeats, I think it's important to capture the rhythmic essence of the genre. So on this project, I first started by using a very strong kick drum that drives the music forward. And what I do next is to build around that using percussive instruments like congas, bongos, and shakers. Next, I thought I should grab a guitar plugin and play some chords. And take note, I was just pressing random notes to hear what sounds good because I had nothing in mind after the drums. The chord progression and melody is something that I personally think needs more attention regardless of any type of beat I make. And most producers tend to overlook this and choose to sample instead. But for me, I'd rather not sample. I'd rather do it right, no matter how long it takes me. I gotta do it. Over here, I use the strumizer in the piano roll to make the chord progression sound more human and less robotic. It also gives you the option to adjust the velocity of each note. So I'm just quickly exporting this so I can put it on Logic. I want to use the trumpet over there. Unfortunately, FL Studio doesn't have nice trumpets. So I went ahead and added a lock drum and some bass. I also added this dreamy-like pad. Yo, so I actually don't like this melody, so I'm gonna change it right now. So over here, I'm just exporting this melody. And just by the way, I do not have a screen recording of me doing subtle adjustments to the beat on FL Studio. That, and I do not have the full version of FL Studio, but luckily I have the stems. So let's take a quick listen to the final product. So yeah, I pretty much changed half the song, mainly the melody, the bass, and I took out the trumpet and log drum. I would have shown you that process, but my recordings just froze when I played them back for some reason. But anyway, I'm quite happy with how the beat sounds right now. It actually sounds very mainstream, like it could be for one of the artists I mentioned earlier. And to just wrap this up, I hope you enjoyed this video and actually learned something about Afro beats. If you did, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Yeah!